Wala? Oo, wala. Wala? Ay. Alright. So, para makagya sa liyo, alright. If dili nyo maklaro, you can come forward. You're not using the computer. Atong dili makaklaro, you can come forward. When you start your IDE, nanay pabutang diri, di ba, my project. Ang uban, diretso dahil mo ang project. To have a very clean start. Sa mga project na ipahimo sa inyo, what I wanted to see on the left side, meaning a part ninyo, is ang inyo lang kanina. Di ba kanina yung imo? Bisan sa pangalan, may uban to gabot-buot. Bot pa sa bot, wala nagbasa sa kanina. It's very clear that the instruction is to create a project and name it as Quiz 1 Java Project. So, thinking kung naay nakabutang din because I already told you that means once you start, every time you start your IDE, naay nakabutang din ha na may project or whatever it is na nadiyang nadilit ako ang nagbuhat kasi ang ingon i-delete, di ba? Ano pala man nag-delete ang uban? But anyway, sige, wala mo nag-delete, pahala mo. Because later on, that will confuse you in running the program because the active project na yung i-run will be based upon sa unsay active or currently being worked on na project. Kaya kasi hindi mo kami magaling na project, yan na ay na-click na laing na project, yan ang run ka na, tingalalain ka nga, hindi man mao ang na-run. Yan ang libog na dahin ka nga, hindi man mao ang na-run. That's because you have so many projects in there. You are only told to create one project. That project should be there sa inyong Project Explorer or Package Explorer. So dapat ang inyong unang gihimo is i-delete. Galing lang, pag-delete, muli akong iuna, di ba na, sana, giingnan tamudaan niya kung yung i-delete. O gawas man di ba? Delete project contents on disk. That means to say, this project has a corresponding file sa diskette or sa disk or sa hard drive storage na nasa inyong computer or the local storage sa inyong computer. So you are going to delete that also to clear all those things na naadito sa asang nakuan location. You have to be very aware of asang na location na nakabutang na mga file. Kaya nakabutang din sa project location sa ubos, di ba? You have this. You see that? So, asang location na nakabutang? Nasa? In Quiz 1 project, I've already told you that that is actually a location or folder. Nagihimo sulod sa Eclipse dash workspace na folder na naa sa user na folder. In the users folder, in the main directory or the root directory of your drive C. So that's how locations are very important in whatever operating system that you are working with. And the operating system that we are working with is Windows. This is how Windows organizes its location. So you should be familiar with that. Being an IT student, I think sa inyong subject na nag-discuss something about mga locations, asa na mga subject? Unsa na nga subject nga ganit i-discuss ng mga locations, mga folder. Ha? Sa inyo? Introduction to computing. So diya palandaan, dapat kabalo na mo. Nga yung mga location. Well, for those of you nga under sa ako, di ba nag-discuss ng mga location? Kaya nyo natagilitan. Kaya wala naman. Magamit na ninyo every time you're going to work the computer or work with any computer. That is why you're supposed to know that. Because up until now and until the end, since you stay down here, you will be working with locations. Every time you work with whatever file that you're going to work in a computer. So dapat kabalo mo ana as an IT. Challenge yourself if you don't know that to know it. So kung dili ka kabalo ana, dili ka IT. You're using a platform. What platform? Is it Windows? Is it Linux? It is. You are only working with two files in Java. The class file and the Java file. So, tuwa na siya dito, tanan nakabutan. And some other stuff na create sa system other than those two. So, pag ma-delete siya, the moment you'll be creating another project with the same name, delete na siya mag-problema. Because dili man siya maingon nga naa ito nga file, nag-exist na. Because that is just what a folder. That's our name of the folder, so that's how the file system is done in Windows. So kung dili siya mag-ingon nga kana siya naa nag-exist na, chances are wala na siya dito sa inyong location. So you are left with kung iyo siya na-delete o insakto with this kind of setup. So ginaanin kaling, di ba niingon ko sa inyo nga dapat mag-create ka o project to work with. So ginaanin walay project. So you're going to create either using this create of Java project or in the file menu you have the new and then you have alright. So sa new there is the Java project, then you have to select that one. Nakahikot ba ng mga nakahikot ang mga mouse? Ayun na nakahikot. Kaya kinahanglan no, dapat ito mawalan sa linya pag mato na sa dito, dili nang pang-out ang sub-options under sa file menu. But if you're going to use the arrow down, pwede. So you have the Java project in there, and then you're going to press the enter key. You're going to use the mouse, and there's the box that comes out to create Java project. So yung na sa inyo. The finish button here is not yet active. So di pa niyo siya mag-click unless you're going to provide the project name. What's the project name again? Quiz Java. So Quiz 1 Java project is the name ng ingon dali, di ba? So dapat you are going to comply with that. Sa kana lang dapat inyo gina siyang i-comply. Unsay na dinhi karon dito sa ilalim sa module. Nga akong giingon nga very important at dili na ninyo siya dapat utangan og check mark. Kaya naka-check mark siya by default. Di ba na blue? Create module because you're going to leave that one. na uncheck. Ambot pa sa bot, maghimo siya og module file, module information file. Na later on, it will let you create what? A name of the package. Kaya dili pwede nga wala kay package if you are going to make it nga na ay check mark gani. So dapat wala ay check mark, dapat naka-blanco na siya. Ang uban wala na ninyo gimahin. So kaya wala ninyo gimahin kasi may tabo. Pagkabot dito sa class, di ka makaproceed, dito ang iba na nasangit, dito na nadugay, abot og 30 minutos, na umala ng oras, wala kahimo. Because hindi palandaan, wapan mo naminaw sa kong hingon, na dapat i-uncheck na. So since wala na-uncheck na, dili na siya maghimo og package, default package, ang iyang gihimuon. So you're now going to click the finish. Kana naman, mura man rin yung bantayan ka ng duha. Once you click the finish na button, there the project is created. Kapag mo na siyang tanawon karon, finish sa SRC, that is where your files sa class file o Java file mabutang. Wala siya nakabutang diri nga katong module information na file. Resulta sa wala ninyo i-uncheck tong module information dito. Kaya kung inyo siyang i-leave as it is, wala ninyo i-uncheck, na nyo ibutang daan. Kapag mag-imo ka later on sa imong class, dili ka makaproceed if you're not going to create a package file. So karon kay sakto man yung pagkabuhat, once you right click, you do not need to move your mouse pointer over there, and then you right click. Okay. Dapat sa SRC ha, dili dani. Diha kay ka mag right click, tanawang option nga magawas, right? Dinigyan sa SRC, when you right click, mao ni ang option ng gawas. Dapat mauna siya ang magawas. Kung diri na nimo siya gi-point imong mouse, when you right click, the same as naka-point ka dito sa SRC. So you do not need to go over your SRC and right click over there because dinhi sa gawas ana wala yang gi-point. Once you right click, kanigya ko nang magawas. So what are we going to select in here? The class na sa Java project. Ang uban Java project. Muna pag-abot diri na ay nakabutang na daghang project. Na dapat dito na ninyo gibuhat sa pinakauna. So we're going to have the class. So the Java class box comes out. Diri nakabutang ang pointer as you have noticed, pero na siya diha. Because di na una niya ipa-specify ang sa pangalan sa class. Ang sagingon diri sa number 2. Create a class in the project that is just created and name it according to this format. Sabi sa this format, di pa makabalo o ang uban pa matakabutang dani. Na nag-example. Tagaan nag-example. Di pagin ma-follow. So kung ang imo ko ng pangalan, Maria Jose Aguanta, sa giingon sa format, your last name, first name's initials, delete name na full name, followed by the underscore, the keyword na class, then the year and the section. So na example to avoid confusion, if your name is Maria Jose Aguanta, then your class should be named as Aguanta. So, middle, it's not a middle initial, but initials of the first name. Doon man yung pangalan, Maria Jose, so MJ. So, underscore, class, na keyword, dayon. You are to, sa inyo section C. So, dapat inana kung makita. Insa na, pinakita dito ang libulan ni Aguanta. Ha? I do not know what runs into your brain cells. mga section or in the other section, Agwanta MJ. Na-change ang pangalan sa Agwanta MJ. Kung sa pa'y dapat nga ma-specify dani?
Public stuff. Ano, sir?
Yung one. E tapos, ang uban, nagputang-putang o package dani. Kaya mong ilmon, pwede na dili ka magputang o package diha. Provided na uncheck ko nimo ang katong kaganihan module creation. Kaya kung wala ko nimo na uncheck, dili kinamutungan yung finish na button dani, dili na mo siga, kung dili nimo butangan og package name. So you're going to put it with a package name. But in this case, ito nga na ang finish, even if di ka mangalan og package, because kung di ka mangalan, the default package is being used. So think of a package as the entire thing na imong gahimuon. Ipa-identify na sa Eclipse. So kung dili ka mag-identify o unsa nga package, so ayaw ko i-skip ang pag-uncheck sa module aron dili na ka magbuhat o pangalan sa package para mutuman na dayon ang finish kung kanilang ang atong i-specify dani. Butangan lang pangalan sa imong class because kanin sa source folder mo naman na siya ang imong gibuhat na project under sa SRC. So you do not need to change that one and go ahead and click the finish button na lang tayo. So you have that. Palay package sa kabutan diha. Now let's duplicate this one with having a new kanina part sa Eclipse, so lalagyan na rin ng exact. There's a trouble in here. Okay, so this is another project. We'll call this one as Quiz 2, then Java, project. And then I am going to have a check mark sa create module info Java file. And once I click the finish button, I'll see what's the difference. Did you see that one? Ang uban na ay meaning wala nilagay ang check to na parte sa pag-ingon sa project. Taraman ni naaba na. Nawala. So what is here is default package. Kani siya walay default package because you are going to name the package when you are going to create the class later on. So we're now going to create the class. Now, in the name, magbutang tao kung siya ipangalan sa name o sa kung sa pwede. Kasi classmate. Isige na ba ang finish button? Sige mo nila sa must be specified. Kaya kung hindi nyo specify ang package, you can never have the finish button click. Whatever name that you are going to put in there, it doesn't matter as long as there's a name in it. Let's put it as my package. Isigan ang finish wala pa. Then we're going to check that one para na ay name na stuff. And then click the finish. So there's the name package, my package. whether you are going to put a package in there or not, it doesn't matter. As long as sa paghimo nimo sa project and pagbutang nimo sa class na insakto nimo o specify. Kaya kung dili, problema kita later on, i-compile nimo. Let's compile this, assuming you have 2 projects in here. This sa quiz 1 na project, we are going to run this one to see if there are errors in it. Dapat may una ninyo gihimo ang 1, wala kitag mahilig pag compile diya kalandaan mo captain. So when I run this one, what happened? Ha? What happened? May error wala? Ganun na may error? Ha? Dili mawang? Muna kung gingon sa inyo ganiha. Wala ninyo gidelete ang isa ka project. There are 2 projects. Since there are 2 projects, wala niyo muna insakto specify kung sa inyong run. Napamata ka nagka-click-click dani, ano mo na click zagunsa na, then na-change sa ang current na class na dapat i-run. Kung sa'y active karon na class, ang kaning, kana. Kaya kung sa'y pili quiz 1, nabala sa quiz 1, nana sa quiz 2 na class. Class na sa quiz 2. Delete na siya, class sa quiz 1. So, asa man ang class sa quiz 1? Di ba kani? So, dapat ka na. So, dapat, although imo siya na-specify kaniya, nag-blow na siya kaniya, pero din sa imong parte naman, sa imong editor na part, wala ni mo na-specify ang sakto nga tab because there are now multi-tabs in here. This tab and this tab. This tab belongs to the other project. This is the class of the other project. This one is the class of quiz 1. This one is a class of quiz 2 na project. So, kani imong giran, thinking that you are in the quiz 1, nagka-error. So, dapat kani siya na class ang atong i-run because that is what we intend to check whether that is running or not. So, dapat active na siya. And active na siya kung imong i-select sa imong browser 2. Kaya kung wala kay daghan nga mga projects din imong ipang-delete ang uban, dili ka mang problema kay usa ra man kabog project. Usa ra gina siya kabog class imong makita din na. Wala kay chances of maklik nimo ang lain nga class, then tapos marani mo ang lain nga class because usa ra kabog ang imong project. So now that this is now active, if you are going to run this one, na-error wala? So, wala error. Meaning to say, up to this point of time, kanitanan nga yung isulat dani is running perfectly. Kung sa imong idugang dana na code, inigran nimo, mag-multiple sa error if na error. Because kabalong man ka nga kanis nga party dani, walay error. Pag butangan na galing mo og code, niya i-run mo na error, so diyan na sugod ang error. So sa tanang bago nimo nga kay butang nga code, i-run mo at doon ay problema, kabalo na ka kung saan ang error. That is one way of troubleshooting problems. So unsay di pabuhat dani? Now let's get back to nani i-delete ha. I hope na wala na mo encuentro og ginani nga mga situation. So I'm going to delete that second project na akong i-create diha. Deleting also the files. So there you go. You only have one project. So as I have told you, you can erase this one. So what's supposed to be in here? Kung imo diri sa pulang comment, unsa giingon? In the final coding, main method, that's the main method. We are in that main method. Should contain only 2 code statements. So, pagano na mo, pila ka statements dapat ang inyong ibutan niya? Duha ra. Sa nimo una, 1 for a call to method 1, And the other one is the call to the other method. Because there are two methods in mo sa inyo dali, ba? Which is kanang number 3, o na siya ang method 1. You are going to create a user-defined method that does not return any value. So, ipot pasabot ang method. It's void. Dapat i-declare na void. Ang uban ay yun ito kung dali na section. Declare o dili void. Nag-iingat naman mo how many times. Dili gali mag-return of value. Does not return any value. It is a void na method. So what's the name of the method nga ipahimo? Sa name sa method nga ipahimo? Public method 1. So it should be public, static, then void. The name is method 1. And that's how you should do that. By the way, inani na itong style. Because in the Eclipse, although in some others, I don't know kung present ka na, there's that minus, kita niyo yung murag minus diya na may circle. Maklaro ba? When I am going to click or tap on that, it collapses into just the name of it without the value. But nabilin is dunay sina opening phrase niya. Para dili na makita in collapse nato, we'll put that one on the next line. So nakalinya ang opening phrase o ang closing phrase. Ngayon i-collapse nato anak, gusto ta nga dili sabot ang atong code. So nawala yang body. Kung atong ibalik, mo na yung body. Likewise, kanisad, ang yung body ani should be here. This is the opening brace, and the closing brace automatically comes out when you press the enter key. So this is one method. Matong i-collapse, that's the method in there. Although may butang diha, sometimes gawas ng yellow ka ganina to remind you nga mauna siya ang kanak na code niya, ang kompleto nga code. So, inyo man na pwedeng ma-expand. Once you click it, toggle man na siya nga, that's actually a switch, na kung inyong i-click, mawala ang iyang body, na inyong i-click, balik mo ito nga, balik. Likewise, if you are going to click this one, of course, wala na, mabilin. So, you have the main method, you have the method 1. When we expand that one, balik siya sa original. So this is sa number 3. Kung sa ipabuhat sa number 3. Kung i-call na ma-method sa iyong buhaton, mag-display siya o so dapat system dot out dot sa i-print. Method 1 is now perform. Alright. Muna yung perform. So again, if you collapse that one, it is as if na-erase or nawala, but it's there. Yan lang i-hide. When you unhide it, so that's it. Now, the other method is unsa. You have now method 1. Now, pwede na ninyo mag-test. Kana pa lang. If you are correct with number 3. Kaya mo na iyang buhaton. Naman dito naka-specify na muna siya ang makita dito sa output when you call it. So, how do you call that method? So, tawag na method? You call it by wait lang karon. Kilala mo kasayin siya makol. So doon ako nakita dito na nagpagambutang of system that out that print method 1. Then doon ay nagbutang dito, nag-declare, nag-assign sa method 1. Anong gahimonin yung complicated? Ang dili complicated. Na ato naman yung discuss many times. Once you are going to call a method na declared void, you just have to write the name of the method followed by the open and the close parentheses, then the semicolon. As simple as that. When you check whether this is correct, when we are going to run, see what is in the output. The other method 1 is perform. Because it is calling this method, the method 1 is just to print, method 1 is perform. So it's silas ng ipabuhat. Ang last na ipabuhat is you are going to create another method. So the same, public, static. But what is the method na ipabuhat? Void pagyapon? It's not. Kung sa gina-return, doon ay gabuhaton niya, no? Naka-specify dito, pila ka po yung gabuhaton. It states in here, in number 5, create another user-defined method and name it as method 2. It will have 2 lines of statements. Duhalang kalinya. What's the first one? The first statement declares a variable. So declares a variable and assigns a value to it na 125. 125 is a whole number. So therefore that is an integer. So when you are going to declare, since ang iyang gina-return, doon ay asa mo i-base ang imong return type nga dili siya void. Sa iyang ga-return. O sa kiingon diri sa iyang ga-return. The second statement, which is the second statement in yung gabuhaton, returns 10 more than whatever it is that was assigned to the value of the variable. So, kabalo ng kaon sa itong i-assign at itong variable, 125, pinagputang gani. 10 more, so that means you're going to add 10. Kasi resulta na, integer. So, therefore, anong method is declared dapat na integer. Then the name is method 2. Then we'll put the body with 2 lines of codes. The first one is mag-declare o mag-assign. Declares what? A variable. So you are on your own kung sa variable mong gamiton. Magamit ka of x? Yes, you can. Integer, of course, because x, which is to be assigned as 125, is a whole number. So, in x equals 1 to 5. Naka-state gani tanan na wa na mo gipaguna-una. Wa na mo gipag-analyze. I-state gani. All you have to do is follow. So that's the declaration of x na integer, and it will be assigned with 125. Naka-state tanan gani. That's the first line of statement. So kung imo nang nasabtan, makapalo yung ka, makabutang yung kanginahin. Kung sa iyong return, that is in the second statement. Kaya nakabutang diri, the second statement returns. So returns what? Sa iyong return, 10 more than what is the value of x. What's the value of x? 125, kabalo ka. Pero if you are going to change that one, that will change. So you have to make use of the variable na x. So that is 10 plus x. Because anytime you change the value of x, that will be the value of x in your code. So 10 plus x or x plus 10. Kabalo makaparehas silang 10 plus x o x plus 10. As simple as that. It's done. Kumana. So kung nakabalo ka, ani 1 minute ka rin, or less than a minute. Pero wag din nakabalo ani na, 1 year is not enough. Then you are going to call. Kasi kingon din eh. call, last thing, call method 2. Asan mo na i-call from the main method after calling method 1. Because na there is sa output nakabutang unsa dapat ang iyang resulta. So kabalo na ka ang resulta sa pag-call sa method 1 is kanan na adiya sa console na method 1 is performed. And then nakabutang dani na ang after ana is ang ma-print method 2 value is 135. Kabalo kang kanang 135, mauna ang return value sa imong method 2. So when you call method 2, you just have to write system dot out dot print sa imong butang diya sulod sa print. Di ba nakabutang dito sa output method 2. So method 2 na string is value. Method 2 value is $135. Kung saan ang 135? The result of calling method 2. So, method 2 value is, there's a space in there, so you have to give a space. Then you are going to add what? Whatever is returned by method 2. What's the name of the method? Method 2 open and close parentheses. There. Inanaram ka sa'yo. What's difficult on that? So when you run this one, assuming na kailangan ka, of course, ay ginanin yung resulta, unsay para manginanin ang itsura sa unsay gibutang ganing. You're supposed to use instead of dito sa method 1 palandaan, dapat mag-end siya og another line. Pwede. Or, kung dili ka magbutang dito, then you are going to use here, before you are going to print that one, because kabalo ka makaran siya, musumpay na siya sa last nga gibutang, because ang last na ito nga gipa-perform is ang method nga ang gigamit, print method. Pero kung print line ang gigamit nani sa method 1, dito na nituluda. Pero print line ang imong gibutang diha, once you run this one, that will solve the problem. There. Pero, kung print yung gigamit din ha, then tapos, din nila ka nagbutang dayon sa imong i-print nani sa imong pagbutang of system.out.print, then you can have escape character tapos n. Because you know very much that that one there, once it perform na sa computer, that means printing first another line. So when you run that one, the same. So whether anak siya or kantong print line ay mong gigamit, whichever is easier for you, that will still say I'm correct. So that's the result in there. Siya nakalisod ko na. Huwag na may nakakuha ni. I think there's one. Ito yung una naman sa inyo, first batch pa to, sa first batch. Kita hinani yung result or output. Hinani ang output, hinana ko ng code. Kaya dahil yung uban na ang code, hinani. Sanggutan sila dani o in the variable, whatever is that variable r is equal to method. So, tapos this code be correct? Ha? Correct ba gapon nga code? Will still the output shown is the same? I have now running it. Parehas dili? But is this code correct? This is correct if there is no specification. But there is a specification there na ibutang dito man note, only 2 codes of statement in the main method. Pila ka statement din sa main method now? 1, you have 2, then you have 3. So wala na met ang gingon dito sa specification. While this is just a minor one, naalay deduction ani. Pero kung katong kaganihan nga code ang inyong ibutang, that is the perfect na result or correct answer. Pagkaro? Clear?